Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, it's going to be day 2 of getting our garden ready. And we're going to start getting our fencing up and getting the 4 corner posts leveled, running the fencing, setting up where we're going to put the gate, a little makeshift gate opening. This is a non-permanent setup, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put your questions in the comment section. Let's get into the clip. So there happened to be a massive rock, probably some iron ore, directly below where I was wanting to put that post. So I had to break it up. Normally they go in way easier than that, but it kept wanting to slip around the edge of that rock. So I had to break it in a few spots so I could get it to go down exactly where I wanted to go. So I'm gonna put this other post in, then I'll be able to put my gate up or not and just run my fencing all the way around back over and into this other post I'm about to put in, and then I'll put my gate in or something like that. So enjoy the rest of the clips. All right, so I'm gonna reassess here. So I just took my string down. I'm gonna have to put it back up. I'm gonna have to take these zip ties off. I was hoping that I could string this fence up and pull it tight enough to where it would be my guide on where my T-post will go in the middle, but I just can't pull it tight enough to pull the slack out. So I'm gonna move the fence out of the way on this section, put my string back up, and go ahead and put all of my T-post in. They're evenly spaced at roughly 8 feet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a T-post in every 8 foot all the way down this stretch. And then I might even go ahead and just do that the rest of the way around, so I can just be done with that particular process in this project. So, and that way all the T-posts are up, and then it's just about running my fence line. So enjoy the next clip. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. So everybody, I just got done with I guess the hard part, getting those T-posts hammered in, straight as an arrow. So I'm gonna take a quick water break, and then I'm going to get my tape measure and string out of the way and start putting the rest of the fence out. So y'all enjoy the rest of the clip. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for today's video. So let's go check it out real quick before we wrap things up. So I'm walking in through my gate area, and you just saw me finish up that. So this will be the opening, and this fence is just serving the purpose of keeping pets and large animals that come through in the night, like other dogs and stuff like that, and kids. Keep kids out. That's the main two things that we're worried about. Deer can get in here if they want to, and if that's the case, I'll just put a camera out here, and then it'll trigger me and I'll scare the deer off. But typically that's not going to happen out here because there's so much other stuff for the deer to eat off the deer feeder and stuff like that. So this is pretty much it. It's fully contained now. I had some extra fencing that I just met up at a common T-post on the back side so that it wasn't glaring me in the face on the front side. So the front side and the side facing the house is all super tidy. And now I don't have to worry about my dogs getting in here, my dad's dogs getting in here, digging everything up and messing up our plants. So then it gives us it just, stuff won't blow away and stuff like that. Not as bad, at least during storms and stuff. So now I can start getting some of this, we start laying down cardboard in our next videos. That's what we'll be doing. We'll be doing cardboard, getting the tape off it and stuff, laying it down, putting the mulch down on top of that. I'm gonna start getting mulch on the perimeter. I might dig a little air barrier so grass doesn't grow into the mulch. But main thing is I don't want grass growing along the edge of the fence. So that's my main deal. So I'll probably do that. I'll dig an air barrier around the edge. So check out, stay tuned for that part. I guess part 3 of gardening of this series. And we'll do that. And then, you know, if this is where we like our garden long term, then we will actually build something permanent with wooden posts and start outfitting it and making it look like super nice. And we'll put like shrubbery around the edge, and you know, to pretty it up, and do raised garden beds in the middle, you know, put a greenhouse or something in here in the middle, in one of the corners or something. And then we'll put water. We'll bring water over here. I'll probably do that this year already anyway. because I can always put an in-ground water spigot. So a lot of cool stuff we're gonna do for the gardening, so stay tuned for everything. If you enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section, and now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate everybody watching. Bigfoot out.